everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. Today, I want to show you how to respond to your very first Google review. If you are using the Google My Business app, hopefully you are also receiving reviews. Today, I want to show you how to respond to those reviews when you get them. So the very first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the Google My Business app downloaded onto your device. Now, I'm using a Google Pixel, which is an Android phone. So what I'm going to show you is the Google Play Store. So in the Google Play Store, you want to make sure that you have downloaded the app. And as you can see, I have already downloaded it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Open to open the app to respond to a review. And if you don't have it downloaded, you go ahead and click on Install and then meet me back here. So once in the Google My Business app, one of the things you want to make sure that you do, if you are managing multiple listings, you want to go ahead and click on the drop-down arrow at the very top of the screen to go to the listing in which you want to reply to the review. So I'm going to click on Social Media How-Tos with Romona, and I am going to look at the bottom of the screen. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see several icons. One says Home, one says Customers, one says Profile, and one says More. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Customers. This is where your reviews will be. This is where your messages will be and where your followers will be listed. So the review I'm going to respond to is the very first one from Jane Smith. It actually came in on June 10th, and I apologize to you, Jane, for not responding, but I wanted to do this video. Try not to respond to reviews too late. So as soon as you see the review, and if you have the app downloaded on your phone, you should actually get a notification that you have received a review. What I want to do now is, first of all, you want to make sure that you read the review. You see that it's a little bit excerpted. So you want to go ahead and click on the review, and then it will show you the whole thing. But I actually copied and pasted my response to the review for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste it in, but you will type in your response to the person. And because I know Jane loves butterflies, I even included a little butterfly icon. Okay, that's actually part of her brand. What I did was I said, thanks so much for your kind words. It was my pleasure, and I look forward to working with you again. So now I also want to say, do not respond cookie cutter style, meaning do not say the same thing to everyone. So the next thing you want to do, you see at the very top where it says respond now, I'm going to go ahead and click on the arrow that's pointing right. You see it's updating, and it says your response has been submitted. So once I've posted the review, I'm actually going to click on the review again to go back and look at it so I can show you how to edit the review if you need to. So if you click on the review, once you've responded, it's going to bring you to an edit screen, and then you can just go in here and type additional information if you want. So there you have it. That is how you respond to a review on Google My Business. If you have any questions regarding Google My Business, feel free to reach out to me at romonafoster.com. And if you have enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so that you will receive notifications each time I put out a new video. And with that, I want to say thank you for hanging out with me, and have an amazing day.